Hello everyone, thanks for checking out my video today. What this video is going to be about is getting a Bissell SpotClean Pro at a discount. There will also be an option for a different type of Bissell SpotClean product at a deep discount. So let's get started here. First, let's say that this video is sponsored by Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. Just kidding. Just kidding. Hey, I'm trying something different here. I don't know how this is going to work, but I have my tripod set up here so I can show my computer screen without everything moving around all the time. And hopefully this will be a better working option for doing these types of videos. What gave me this idea is, well, I always like finding discounts on things, and I think I'm pretty good at it. And one day I watched a video by Detail Geek. He uses the Bissell SpotClean Pro a lot and highly recommends it. And I was just in one of those buying moods that day, and I just decided I'm going to get one. So I'm looking all around, different websites, and just to try to get a discount on the product, and everything is $159.99. Every site, $159.99. It took me about an hour, but I did find a site where I actually found it for $103 plus tax. And I ordered it, and I received it. I've got it right now. What I'm going to do here on this video is show you how to get a few discounts on it. If you're interested in finding out how to get it for $103, hit the like on this video. You are going to see some good discounts on this video, and consider subscribing. And I will show you very soon how I got it for $103. And in my opinion, anybody can do that. Get it for the $103. Straighten this out a little bit. That's a little bit better, I think. So here we go. This site here is Bissell.com. Right now they're selling it for $159.99. I can tell you on December 10th, which I think was Monday or Tuesday, probably Tuesday, I did sign up for their email list, so I recommend doing that. They sent me a email saying they're having a sale that day, 20% off of anything on their site, which included the Bissell SpotClean Pro. So that discount, I already got it figured. $159.99 minus 20% is $127.99. And I had to pay tax when I got mine, so mine cost me a little bit more than $103. But yeah, $127.99. You may have to pay tax on that, whatever your local rate is. That was on December 10th. Well, obviously that sale is over now. But today, as of the making of this video, I went on the Bissell site, and they have order by 10 p.m. Sunday, 15% off orders over $75. So that would make it $135.99, which is another really good discount. If you might want to consider that at this time. What I can tell you, like I says, join their email list, the Bissell email list, and you'll be getting lots of discount offers for their products. And considering Christmas coming up, I'm sure there'll be some really good ones. So, right now you can get it for $135.99 if you would like, from Bissell.com. Another option that I've spotted, if you're not into paying $100 plus for this item here, I spotted this on eBay, and it comes directly from Bissell. As you can see, Shop Bissell on eBay, right over here. It is the SpotClean Pro Heat, another portable cleaner. It's refurbished. I've noticed that anybody that seems to use this product, they don't put the product in the cleaner itself, they just put hot water in there. Well, this SpotClean Pro Heat is going to keep the water hot, so you constantly have hot water instead of being outside and the water cools off after a while. Price $54.99, free shipping. I mean, if I had spotted this sooner, I have a feeling I probably would have gone for this product here rather than the SpotClean Pro. Seems to have everything with it. There's your little brush. Little brush there. Looks like a couple brushes. Plus you get some product with it. So that's $54.99. That's a heck of a deal also. So back to the SpotClean Pro. It says Bissell had it on sale. I might not have mentioned this already, but in case I didn't. About 3 weeks ago, they had it on sale for $129.99. But as I mentioned, that you can now get it for $135.99. Just $6 more. It is free shipping from Bissell.com. I've also found ways to get Turtle Wax, the new Turtle Wax hybrid products at 25% off, which is another great deal. You get it on Amazon. I don't think they give you much of a discount, but like I says, I've considered just doing update videos every now and then where there's a sale. Like, for example, I like the products from Drive in High Definition, Drive Auto Appearance, that Scott had recommended a while back. I purchased a few of their products. I bought them. I like them a lot. Well, just a few days ago, I think it ended on December 2nd, they had a 30% off everything on their site, plus free shipping. So I got their spray wax. I forget exactly what it's called. I received it already, $17.50 shipped. And it's regular $24.99 plus shipping. I think it's shipping regularly is $10. So there are discounts to be had. If you guys would be interested in having me do videos where you can get the really good discounts on products, like I said, hit the like on this and consider subscribing. Definitely be worth it. Can't wait till spring till I can start detailing again. I actually retired the end of November from my 9-to-5 job. Well, actually 7 to 3:30. But so next year I'm going to be doing a lot more detailing jobs. This year here I had detailing jobs I had to turn away because I just couldn't get them done on the weekends. So, looking forward to next year. I have a ton of products in this room where I am. There's like maybe a 2-foot path going from front to back, and on the sides I have all my detailing products. Unreal. Really, I'm sure a lot of you know the feeling, that's for sure. So, as I mentioned, if you hit the like, I'll know you'd like to know more about getting the SpotClean Pro at an even cheaper price. I got mine $103 plus tax, came to $112, free shipping. And it says it took me a good hour to figure out how to do this. So, that's about it on this video. I mentioned the products, the Turtle Wax products that I found. I can get it at a real good discount from a site. And I've got a lot of the Bissell cleaning products also. I can just mix and dilute them out. So, everybody, thanks for checking out my video. And hopefully there'll be enough likes on here to tell me that you guys would like these types of videos where you can get products at a discount. And I will definitely do them. And have a great one. Happy detailing. Take care.